Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to stop receiving WhatsApp messages without blocking. So it's only happen when you open the WhatsApp app. So here is the WhatsApp app. So you will see there is the chat. So you will just click the randomly chat. So I will just you will see there is my first chat. So now what to do, you will just click to the three dots of right. So there are no option without blocking stop receiving messages. So now what to do, you will just go back and you will just hold the chat and you will see there is a mute option on the second last. So you will just click to the mute notification for 1 week always or 8 hours. So when you on it, you will not receive the messages without blocking. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.